we always going to have n plus 1 plus n plus 2?
If they're asking for consecutive integers, but it might get a little bit more challenging later on when they might ask for consecutive odd integers. No, we'll get there when we get there. All right, let's solve this right now. What can I do with my left side of my equation right here? Do I have any like terms? What do we do with like terms?
Add them together.
Combine, right? How many n's do I have?
3.
So we have 3n. What are these numbers without variables called?
Constant.
Constants. How many constants do I have?
2.
3.
I have a total of 3.
Oh. But you have 2.
Okay, and that's set equal to what?
147.
147. Now it's time to solve. Go ahead, Trey.
You subtract both sides by 3.
Let's subtract 3. Show my balance scale. Subtract 3. What's that going to equal?
It'll equal 144.
144.
And then you divide both sides by...
Bring down everything we haven't used yet. What have we not used?
3n.
The 3n.
And
Okay.
divide both sides by 3.
Going to divide both sides by 3. Exactly. So n is going to equal what?
48.
48. Now let's go back and take a look at our problem. First of all, what do we define n to be? First integer. What are they asking for?
Oops. 3 consecutive integers.
They're looking for the 3 consecutive integers. Okay, so we've got the first integer. What's going to be our next integer?
N plus 1.
Okay, which is what?
Which is...
40.
What's our next consecutive integer after 48, guys?
49.
49 and
50.
50.
Oh, that makes sense. But how exactly did we know how to set it up?
Wait, and then we contract by adding them all up, right?
The first thing we did, Matthew, was we defined our variable. We don't know what the first number was. So when we don't know what something is, what do? We assign a variable to it.
Are we going to do another one of these just because?
There's a quick check.
Okay.
Why don't you get started on
I
that?
don't have any room to make it.
So why don't you try on another sheet of paper?
On number 2.